then we go straight and then we'll run into it.
All right, guys. Well, something's not quite right. Nope. This V12 is not supposed to be doing that at all. I have to shift at 2,000 RPM or earlier. I'm going 33 miles an hour, and I am in 5th, now 6th gear. We've got a problem, and I have a error on the dashboard. Now, this car, straight, this car has been amazing. Really have not had many problems with it. This is the first major issue that I've had, and it's saying catalyst over temperature. And the car is essentially now in limp mode, which kind of sucks. See? Not a good feeling. My baby is sick. We've gotten 2 codes, a P11EB and P11ED. So we're gonna get this car on a truck back to be checked out and see what's going on. But, baby, what's going on? What is going on? Alright, so I was told, I'm getting a couple of codes, and I was told to lock the car for a minute and then restart, unlock with the key and then restart. So let's see what happens here. Put on the brakes, start button, and fingers crossed here, guys. It's sound healthy start. Within 30 seconds or so, we're gonna see if we still get this catalyst over temperature. Yep, still got it. Nope, didn't work. So there you have it, guys. This is going on a truck. It's actually due for service just about now anyway, so it's perfect timing. And we're going to see what exactly is going on. I'll do another video when it gets back and what we figured out what exactly the problem was. I'm not super worried because this car again has been remarkably reliable, and it's probably some bad sensor, but I'll let you know. Thanks again for watching. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and turn notification on. As I say always, keep motoring. Thanks, guys. So are you going to shoot the second angle from there? Yeah. Or not here?